All right. So we gotta earn $125. Let's see. We got. What the fuck? How'd you pick this up? Okay, pick it up. I'm gonna cook this. Guys, it's not cooking. Why is it not cooking? Hold on.
You should burn everything down.
No. I shouldn't be doing that. I have to be a well-versed cook, you know? Okay, hold on. These are cooking. These won't burn, right? These won't burn. Where'd the sausage go? Got it? Okay. What do you want? Sausage and bread. Let's get a plate. Let's get the sausage. Oh, let's get a sausage. Let's get bread. Come on. Let's go like that. Boom. Sausage and bread. Oh, sorry, sir. Oh. Yo! Why'd you eat your friend's food? What the fuck? Oh, no, this is gonna burn. It's gonna burn, isn't it? Wait, he wants bread? I don't have bread. Guys, this is too stressful, guys. I can't do this. This is way too stressful. Come on, cook already. Plain hot dog.
Your customers are hungry. You gotta feed them.
My plate's flipping! That's what you ordered, right? Fantastic meal. Now get the fuck out of here.
They're only getting hungrier.
God. There's food on the ground. Cut this. Okay. Cut this. Oh my. Okay. Hot dog. Is there a sausage on the ground?
I'm sure nothing bad will happen. You should cook it.
Alright. There we go. Let's
It'll be really
pick this up.
flavorful.
Got the sausage. Is it cooked? Okay. I gotta clean the plates. Wait! Where's the plate? Oh my god. I'm panicking. Oh god. What do you want? What is it you want? Sausage and bread and a plain hot dog. No. Let's get this. Start cooking. So one of them wants a hot dog, one of them wants plain? Yeah, okay. We're good. We are so good. Okay. That's one guy's meal. Then we gotta cook this one. And cut this one. Boom. I'm so good. No, stop burning. Put this here. Grab a hot dog. Put this here. Boom. That's one meal done. Go for another one. Hot dog. Do you want this cut or do you just want it bread? Oh, it's on the ground. I'm sorry, sir. Oh, we're a little short-staffed today. The plate was dirty? What do you mean the plate was dirty? I cleaned it.
He's just mad. He's just mad.
Oh my god. Please just clean. Please just clean. Okay, you're gonna have to clean. What do you want? I need to order food! Wait, how do I order?
Computer. In the back, usually.
10 items? Oh no. Get here, come here. Oh no. Where's the truck? Truck, come!
In the back. Also.
Come! Drop off! Holy! Open up! Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be. I thought.
Did you overwork?
I thought it was just. Oh shit! No, he wants a hot dog. Wait, he wants a. Oh my god, the blades. What do you want? Yo, how long does the How long does it last? the truck? Does it stay out there forever?
Maybe. I mean, I think if you still have food, then yeah.
Oh god. Is it a rat? What do you want?
You can cook them. You should
Sausage
cook them
and bread?
Well,
How did it? How? Okay. For you. No, don't overcook, please. Okay, let's put that here. This here. I know one of them's gonna want a hot dog. That looks like a hot dog. No, none of them wants a hot dog. Oh shit. Oh, I'm panicking. Wait, one of them wanted. You wanted a dog, right? Oh, no. What do you mean your plate was dirty? Guys, how are the plates dirty?
they're just mad.
Oh my god. What's cooking? What do I do? Yo! Stop! Oh fuck. Everything's going to shit. You know, meat's most important, so you always gotta cook the meat first. What's burning? Something's burning! Oh shit! No! What about the rest of the food? What do you want? You know, a sausage and a dog? Was that a hot dog? Did you ask for a hot dog? I don't care if he asked for a hot dog. He's getting a hot dog. How's the plate dirty? Yo, why is this thing still cooking? Get the fuck out of here! This looks like a hot dog. Eat. Come on. Oh, it's on the ground. Eat. No. I'm panicking. Is there a knife on the ground? It's a fucking hot dog. I'm panicking. Yo, when is the store gonna close? I can't handle this pressure. Okay, cook a bun. Okay, grab a plate. Why are the plates not cleaned? Hot dog. Come on. Where are all the other chefs when this is happening? Hot dog.
It's too stressful for them. You gotta prove them all wrong.
Hot dog. Why are the condiments on the ground? Oh my god. No, stop coming in.
Deep breath.
Coming in. Stop, I've already got the plates. Stop. I don't want to cook anymore. Oh my god. Why are these cooking so fast? Yo, what are you guys gonna be done cooking? Okay, cool. They left! No, why did they leave? What do you want? You want a sausage? What do you want? You want a plain hot dog? Guys, slow down. I can't do this. You guys are going too fast. Come on, it's good enough. Eat! Clean this. Plate. Why is there a plate on the ground? Plate. What do you guys want? Sausage and a plain hot dog? Come on, cut! Cut open! Let's throw one of these here. One of these here. Eat. I need hot dogs. I need hot dogs. I need hot dogs. I need hot dogs ASAP. I need hot dogs ASAP. These are all fucking dogs. I need hot dogs. Come on. Rat! Rat! Get the fuck out of here! I'm cooking you. Why is it not cooking? Why is it not cooking? What is this? Yo, there's too many people. No, there's too many people. There's too many people. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm panicking. I'm panicking. Do I have hot dogs left? Do I have hot dogs left? Why are you not cooking? Why is the rat not cooking? Eat. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? No! Actually, fuck you guys. I don't care what you want. I need to cook. Hey, yo, guys, I don't think having a rat in this the kitchen is a good idea. Get this box. Please. Don't overcook, don't overcook. No! What's going over the place? Please don't overcook. Rat! Where'd the rat go? What? No, just... Why? Why? What are you ordering? What do you want? You want a sausage? You want sausage and bread after I cut all the bread? You're fucking weird. No, rat! Why are you here? Get the fuck out of here! You're coming with me.
Hungry.
Die, rat. You wanted a sausage? Is that what you wanted? Oh my god! I'm panicking. Okay, this is what he wants. Wash. Just wash the plate. Wash the plate. Come on. It looks clean enough. Wash this shit. Come on. Whoa! Why? What is going on? Throw out trash? What do you mean throw out trash? What trash is there? What trash is there? What trash? Is this trash? Oh my god. Oh my god, there's too much stuff to do. Oh, there's a hot dog on the ground. Come on. What am I doing? What do you want? Hot dog and bread? It's not bread. What is this? It's hot dogs. Is this bread? Is it opened? Hot dog. Oh my god, everything's going to shit. I'm gonna lose my mind. I could never work at like an actual restaurant, man. This is horrifying. Guess we're not cooking yet. I don't wanna work here anymore. I'm traumatized. I don't wanna work here anymore. People here are asking for sausage and bread. What monster is asking for sausage and bread? Is this what you want, you monster? You monster, you want sausage and bread. What's burning? Why is it burning? You're going to the trash can. You, can I put you in the trash can? Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so much stuff on the ground. What do you want? You want sausage and bread? You guys both want sausage and bread! Why did I cut open the bread? Why did I cut open the bread? Oh my god. I can't do this no more. End the day. End the day. I don't want to do this anymore. End the day. I don't want to do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. It's so stressful. Am I done? Is it the day? Is the day over? Please tell me the day's over. Please tell me the day's over. No! No! Why are they back? Please just ask for a hot dog. What does everybody want? A sausage and bread! What monster, you guys? Just get a hot dog, man! Just get a hot dog! Who's buying these sausage and bread? No! Stop coming in! I'm gonna lose it! They all want sausage and bread! They all want sausage and bread! They all want sausage and bread! Why do they all want sausage and bread? Don't overcook. Why do they all want sausage and bread? How long is this truck gonna stay out here?
Forever.
Oh my god. Why? Why is there more coming in? Does the day just not end? How long is a day?
Day never ends.
It never ends. It's just a continuous cycle?
Pretty sure it's endless.
No. Why? Give me a break. You tell me I'm just doing this mindlessly over and over again?
Yep.
No, it's burning! Oh my god, what do you mean I have to do? Customer satisfaction mediocre. You know what? I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore.
Start serving them rats.
I had enough of this. If one more person asks for sausage and bread, I don't care anymore. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. If everybody asking for sausage and bread, I'm gonna put fucking sausage and bread in this whole place. If I go down, everyone goes down. You're gonna eat this. You're gonna eat this. Eat it. Eat this. Yes. 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 Burn. Burn. How is this possible? Oh my god. Oh god. This can't be healthy for the lungs, guys. This can't be healthy for the lungs. This can... Guys? What do I do? Uh-oh. 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 I might be putting more fuel in the fire, guys. I might just be putting more fuel in the fire. Oh, God. This should be fine. This should be fine. It's only a couple pieces of bread. What is even burning? Alright, 2 breadsticks. You're gonna go in here. You're gonna go in here. I'm gonna grab the box. Alright. Looking pretty good. I must say, I think I'm chefing it pretty well. Totally didn't lose my calm. So you tell me I can toss bread out there, but I can't walk outside? Hold on. I can toss bread into the top of that roof. Hold on a minute. Booyah! Hold on. Hold on. Okay. There we go. There we go. Alright, bread for every... Alright guys, thanks for watching.